this video, we will discuss about applying Pan-Sharpening to a raster layer in ArcMap and band combination. Starting with Pan-Sharpening, it is a process of using high resolution raster layer, that is panchromatic raster layer, which get combined with low resolution of composite image of multiple band, which ultimately produced a multiple band of raster layer of higher resolution image. Basically, the composite image that we have made before. I have the process in tutorial 3 about how to make a composite image from Lancet image having a different bands. So we'll go through that and make a composite layer first. Then the Pan-Sharpen tool will help to convert the low resolution image into high resolution image. Now I'll show a file that I have previously shown. The composite file that I have made before is of Lancet 8 image, satellite image, and as you have remembered that I have used only the bands that was of same resolutions, that was of 30 meters, band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9, and I left one band, I left 3 bands, and among them band 8 is panchromatic band, and we will use that band 8 of resolution 15 now. And using a Pan-Sharpen tool, I have said before, the composite band fused with a panchromatic band, and the output will result the high resolution image. Okay, I have also attached the link below about the band designation. You can view it. Now I'll start doing Pan-Sharpening the raster image. The process is similar to that of composite image. The first one is in Arc Toolbox, as same as before, this data management. Then going to this, there is a raster processing. Then raster processing to raster. Yeah, here. Then we have a create Pan-Sharpen raster dataset. Just click on it. Okay, a dialog box or windows will appear. So you just need to input all the things needed in input raster dataset. You will input the dataset you want to Pan-Sharpen. Typically this is of low resolution multi-band raster dataset, that of composite image or composite band that we had made previously. And in red channel and green channel, blue channel, since we have been using a Lancet 8 image, just use the blue, red, green band similar to a band designated as I have shown here in one of the document. Your blue is band 2, green is band 3 and red is band 4, whereas band 5 is near infrared. So put these things over here in red, green, blue and infrared. So basically this means that you just need to have a satellite image of which satellite image you are using to make a Pan-Sharpen image. In output raster dataset, just store the output where do you want to place your file. In panchromatic image, panchromatic raster dataset is generally input the band number 8. Just go through that band and click on it. Then okay, it will take rather more time than making a composite image because it is of higher resolution. That's a 15 meter means higher resolution than 30 meters. Now the composite image is Pan-Sharpened, which is of high resolution. And another way of Pan-Sharpening the image is, first of all, add the composite data from Add Data option. After adding it, you can see the composite file in table of contents. Just right click on it. There is a properties. Then in properties you can see source. Okay. In source you can see cell size is 3030 XY 3030. Then go to symbology. Then scroll down. There is a Pan-Sharpening option which is on check. Just tick on it. In panchromatic image, just improve the panchromatic band, that is band number 8 that I have previously shown. Okay, then Pan-Sharpening type, this one is an optional option. Optionally, you can type a weight for each of the red, green, blue and red bands here in down. And here in Pan-Sharpening type, you can drop down the list and choose the desired color transformation. Then, yeah, leaving all same, click on OK. Yeah. This one is a temporary Pan-Sharpened image, and here in image analysis from Windows, go to the image analysis. Here in under processing there is a save file. Before that you just need to click on the Pan-Sharpened image here in the list of image analysis. Click on that, then save. Okay, you can save into your desired place here. Okay, after saving it, this will create a permanent file. So using this layer properties, symbology and Pan-Sharpening tool inside that layer properties, the file we have created is temporary until it is saved using image analysis. So the Pan-Sharpened image is formed from this process also. To check whether it is Pan-Sharpened or not, just follow the similar process. Go through the table of contents, then the image which is Pan-Sharpened, just click on, just right click on it, then properties, then source, then cell size. Okay, now in the cell size you can see 15,15, which was 30,30 while we were making composite file of Pan-Sharpened. Now it is Pan-Sharpened. We can see that it is highly resolution image. So in this way you can make a high resolution image from a composite image of low resolution.